What's the sweetest moment you've witnessed between grandparents? Last weekend, I witnessed probably the funniest thing between my grandparents. Grandpa had taken Grandma to Walmart for their weekly shopping. 2 hours later, I see him pull up in the driveway alone. When I asked where Grandma was, the color drained from his face. "Oh Lord, I forgot your grandmother at the store," he exclaimed, grabbing his keys and rushing back out. 20 minutes later, they returned, and I expected Grandma to be furious. Instead, she was laughing harder than I'd seen in years. The whole way home, she kept teasing him. 53 years of marriage and you leave me between the bread and cereal aisle. I guess I should be glad you remembered eventually. Grandpa kept apologizing, but she wouldn't let Shim live it down. At dinner, she told everyone, "Make sure you count heads before leaving Walmart. Some people tend to misplace their wives there." Even now, days later, whenever Grandpa can't find something in the house, she says, "Did you check Walmart? That's where you last left me." The best part is how Grandpa just sits there with this guilty smile while she jokes about it.